Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how I use my airbrush to paint a multicolored sign. When I remove my stencil material from my backing, I tend to keep the backing and use it to cover sections of the sign that I'll paint a different color at a later point. I also use my paper backing to occasionally check my airflow to make sure I have exactly the amount of paint that I want for the area that I'm covering. As I finish painting each color, I'll continue to cover up completed sections to protect the paint below. For smaller areas, I cut pieces of my stencil material and apply it over the paint to protect it. I use the stencil material instead of painter's tape because I find it lifts up really nicely and it doesn't ruin the paint job below. So here I'm working on my last color. I'm going to let it completely dry before beginning to remove my stencil carefully. As you're removing your stencil, you're bound to notice some areas that need touching up, but I still find using the airbrush is the best way to prevent bleeds and leads to the cleanest finish. So here's the completed sign. As you can see, I've used chalkboard paint for the black sections, and that way I can easily add and remove information as I want to. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really hope you found my video helpful. Please subscribe for more content coming soon.